It's all the new construction. It's the casinos and golf courses. It's all California. Many believe those and several other myths are true about water resources in Southern Nevada. However, we do the research and have the facts. It's time to tap the truth. I'm Colby Pellegrino, the Deputy General Manager of Resources for the Southern Nevada Water Authority. Today's topic is, I see construction crews watering the dirt all the time. Why do they waste so much water on the dirt? Well, this is part of the Clean Air Act and ensuring that there's appropriate dust control within our valley so we're not breathing in all the dust that results from construction. It's sort of a necessary evil that we need to apply water to the ground in order to not have that dust be created in the first place. It's actually a very small percentage of our water use that contributes in a big way to our growing economy. It's important, however, for our construction companies to appropriately maintain their trucks and the nozzles that water is coming out of. Just like your home, those trucks can get leaks, the nozzles can get bent, and they don't work right. So if you have a water truck, spend a little bit of time each week making sure it's functioning the way that it's supposed to, and that will help save water as well. If you'd like to learn more about many other water myths and the truth behind them, you can find us on YouTube at SNWA Video, or click the link on your screen to access more episodes.